Hey, Poppy here. As you can see, I'm in the computer room. If you're not over the age of 18, go the fuck away. I don't want you there watching me. Nothing here for you. This channel is for people who are old and have more than half a brain. I'm not saying you young people don't have half a brain. I can't measure, so I will not make any claims one way or the other on that. Anyway, this channel is not for children. I had no children content, and other than once when granddad would come to visit, there are no children on it. So it's mini machining and some really dry, sarcastic adult humor. Like I said, nothing here for kids, so go away. Hey gang, Puppy here. Another unboxing. And from Sherline Products, Executive Ridge, Vista, California. Here I slash the bag. Oh, the receipt. Well, I AVE'd the receipt, didn't I? Okay, here it is. Sherline puts everything in a plastic bag. Everything. They want everything nice and securely served. Oil paper. People don't use this stuff anymore except for Sherline and other high-end manufacturers. Okay, here it is. Screws on to the spindle of my machine, approximately 1 inch in diameter and 2 inches long, and it's blank. I got it. It's a diamond saw that's going to take up residence on this piece of steel. About the calibration rings for my Sherline rotary table. I am increasingly happy with myself over the way the ring fits to the table. It is increasingly nice. Good night from California. Oh, no cerveza. Here we are. Over. No trabajo. No beer, no work. That's the truth.